Introducing the Holtz glass media mat. Measuring 14 inches by 23 inches with a sleek black surface, the Holtz glass media mat is a fantastic multifunctional tool and creative workspace. The 12 by 14 inch measuring grid features imperial and metric measurements, and the white 7.5 by 11 inch mixing palette area, complete with durable non-stick mat, is ideal for preparing wet mediums. Introducing the Holtz travel stamp platform, the perfect solution to stamping on the go. The innovative portable surface allows for precision stamping with rubber and clear stamps, featuring a fully magnetic 6.5 by 6.5 inch base and dual thickness stamping plate. This bundle includes the travel stamp platform protective sleeve to protect your platform in transport.